Which motorcycle GPS is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. There are dozens of options, some cheap, some expensive, some packed with features that sound great but don't work when you're 2 hours into a ride. Today, we break down the real winners based on what actually matters when you're on 2 wheels. Product number 1, Garmin Drive 53. First up, the Garmin Drive 53. Now, this one's technically built for cars, not bikes, but a lot of riders still use it because it's reliable and easy to mount. It's priced around $165, which is mid-range, and Garmin's known for solid navigation. If you want simple, no-nonsense GPS that just works without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-inch high-res touchscreen is bright and responsive, even in daylight, and Garmin's Real Directions feature gives you turn-by-turn guidance using landmarks, like turn left after the gas station, which is way easier to follow than just arrows. It also gives driver alerts for speed changes, sharp curves, and school zones, which can be super helpful on unfamiliar roads. Plus, it includes updated North America maps and shows rest stops, fuel, and food along your route, perfect for long rides when you're not sure where the next pit stop is. Now, some people complain that it's not built for motorcycles. No waterproof rating, no vibration resistance, and the mount isn't bike-specific. Here's the thing though. If you're riding a cruiser or touring bike with a stable setup and you mostly ride in fair weather, it's totally usable. But if you're off-roading or riding in rain often, this isn't the one. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use GPS for highway and city riding and don't mind a little extra setup. Skip this one if you ride in harsh weather or need something truly rugged. For the price, it's solid value, just not built for serious motorcycling. Product number 2, Wonvon 5-inch motorcycle GPS. Next, the Wonvon 5-inch motorcycle GPS with CarPlay and Android Auto. At just $62, this is one of the most affordable options designed specifically for bikes. It caught my attention because it includes wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, something usually found in pricier models. If you want smartphone integration without spending hundreds, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. The 5-inch IPS screen is anti-glare and readable in sunlight, and it works with gloves, huge for riders. The waterproof and rugged design means it handles rain, dust, and vibrations, which is exactly what you need when you're riding through changing weather. Plus, dual Bluetooth lets you connect your phone and helmet at the same time, so you can take calls or listen to music without fumbling with wires. It also supports 11 languages and works on 1224V systems, making it great for international riders. Now, some people complained about the map accuracy and slow GPS signal acquisition, especially in remote areas. Here's the thing though, for city riding and short tour, it's more than enough. But if you're planning cross-country or off-grid adventures, the navigation might lag behind more advanced units. This is perfect for you if you ride in urban areas, want wireless CarPlay on a budget, and need something weatherproof. Skip this one if you're doing serious backcountry riding or need ultra-precise routing. For under $70, it's a steal for basic navigation and connectivity. Product number 3, Garmin Zumo XT2. Now we're stepping up. Meet the Garmin Zumo XT2, the premium beast at $698. This is built from the ground up for serious motorcyclists. If you want top-tier performance, durability, and features for long-distance or off-road riding, this is the one to beat. Here's why this matters for you. The 6-inch ultra-bright display is readable even in direct sunlight, and the IPX7 rating means it's fully waterproof and vibration-resistant, built to handle rough terrain and bad weather. The visual route planner lets you choose between the fastest route or the most scenic one, and you can discover popular moto paths using satellite imagery. Plus, it pairs with the Tread app for full trip planning and even works with InReach for satellite communication in remote areas. Now, some people complained about the price and the fact that some features require a smartphone app or subscription. Here's the thing though, if you're riding across states or into the wilderness, those features are lifesavers. The cost is high, but you're paying for reliability and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're a touring rider, adventure biker, or just want the best tech on your handlebars. Skip this one if you only ride short distances or are on a tight budget. It's expensive, but for serious riders, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, Wireless 7-inch Motorcycle GPS. Coming in at $107, this 7-inch wireless GPS offers a big screen and solid features at a reasonable price. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, has an anti-glare display, and is IP69K waterproof, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets, which is overkill but impressive. If you want a large, bright screen with full smartphone integration, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you. The 7-inch HD screen gives you more map detail and easier touch control, especially when navigating complex routes. The 1024x600 resolution and 1000 nit brightness make it readable in direct sun, and voice control via Siri or Google Assistant keeps your hands on the bars. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable connections to your helmet and phone, and the built-in EQ lets you tweak your music for the open road. Now, some people complained about the lack of included mounting hardware and unclear installation instructions. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it performs well. The bracket system is universal, but you might need to buy extra parts for a secure fit on certain bikes. This is perfect for you if you want a large screen, wireless connectivity, and don't mind a little DIY setup. Skip this one if you want plug-and-play simplicity or ride in extreme off-road conditions. For around $100, it's a great middle ground option. Product number 5, Carpuride W702. Finally, the Carpuride W702 at $228. This 7-inch GPS stands out with worldwide maps, dual Bluetooth, and a thief-proof detachable design. It's one of the few that supports both CarPlay and Android Auto with full voice control, and it includes a 64GB TF card for offline music and videos. Here's why this matters for you. The IP67 waterproof rating and wide temperature range, -20 degrees C to 70 degrees C, mean it works in almost any condition. The dual Bluetooth lets you connect your phone and helmet simultaneously, so you can take calls and listen to music without interference. Now, some people complained about compatibility issues with Samsung Note and S-series phones. Here's the thing though, if you're using an iPhone or a compatible Android, it works flawlessly. Just double-check your phone model before buying. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich, large-screen GPS with global maps and great audio. Skip this one if you're on a Samsung flagship or need satellite communication. For under $230, it's one of the best values in high-end motorcycle GPS. So which one should you get? The Garmin Drive 53 is great for casual riders on a budget. The Wonvon is perfect for city riders who want CarPlay cheap. The Garmin Zumo XT2 is the ultimate choice for serious adventurers. The 7-inch wireless model offers big screen value, and the Carpuride W702 delivers premium features at a fair price. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that matches your ride style and budget.